Understanding acumen, a key skill for IELTS success. Imagine you're in a high-stakes business negotiation. Your opponent seems to have the upper hand, but suddenly you spot a tiny detail they've overlooked. In a flash, you turn the tables and secure a deal that benefits everyone. That's acumen in action, a quality that can set you apart in the IELTS exam and in life. Word type. Acumen is a noun. It's pronounced as acumen with the stress on the first syllable. Meaning, acumen refers to the ability to make good judgments and quick decisions, typically in a particular domain. It's often described as a combination of keen insight, shrewdness, and the capacity to understand and deal with a situation quickly and effectively. Word history. The term acumen has its roots in Latin. It comes from the word acuere, which means to sharpen. This origin reflects the idea of a sharp, keen intellect that can cut through complexity and arrive at sound conclusions swiftly. Antonyms. Some antonyms for acumen include dullness, ignorance, stupidity, and naivety. These words represent the opposite of the sharp, insightful quality that acumen embodies. Synonyms. Synonyms for acumen include astuteness, shrewdness, perspicacity, discernment, and sagacity. Each of these words captures a slightly different shade of meaning, but all relate to the idea of keen judgment and quick understanding. Examples used in sentences. Her business acumen was evident in the way she navigated the complex merger negotiations. The detective's investigative acumen led to a breakthrough in the cold case. In the fast-paced world of stock trading, financial acumen can mean the difference between fortune and ruin. The diplomat's political acumen helped defuse tensions between the two nations. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing acumen with general intelligence or knowledge. While acumen often goes hand in hand with these qualities, it specifically refers to the ability to make good judgments or decisions in a particular field. Another error is using acumen too broadly. It's usually associated with specific domains, like business acumen or political acumen, rather than being a general term for all types of insight. To excel in the IELTS exam, particularly if you're aiming for a band score of 8.0, demonstrating a nuanced understanding of words like acumen is crucial. It showcases not just your vocabulary range, but also your ability to use sophisticated language accurately and effectively. Remember, acumen isn't just about knowing, it's about applying knowledge swiftly and shrewdly. Whether you're tackling a complex writing task or engaging in a high-level discussion during the speaking test, showcasing your linguistic acumen will undoubtedly impress the examiners and boost your score.